I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address with Lloyds Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Lloyds Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. This is the easiest way to manage your account details. Step 2. Navigate to personal details. Once logged in, find the section labeled Personal Details or Account Settings. This is where you can manage your contact information. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Personal Details section, look for an option to update your address. Click on it to proceed with the changes. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos, as incorrect information can lead to issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, click the Save or Submit button to finalize the update. You should receive a confirmation message once the change is successful. Remember, if you encounter any issues, customer service is just a call away. Good luck with your update.